So down here, you have to look under the hay for him. Little snake. I caught all of these by myself. That's, this is Pumbaa. He doesn't bite that much. And then, the tiniest snake of all is right in this. You probably think this is a tiny tank for a snake, but wait till you see how small this snake is. It goes in it. Here. Oh my gosh, it almost bit me. Yeah! That's a small snake. Here it is compared to my hand. That's compared to my hand. Tiny, right? Just like to keep it in there. Oh yeah, we had a toad in that purple bin, but the snake got out and ate it. Pretty sad. But the purple bin wasn't up to there, it was down here. Next, I'll show you the biggest. Oh yeah, it was named Bug, because it had bug eyes. Okay. Oh jeez, that stinks. We have two huge ones in here. Again, it's a small tank, that's the only one with a lid. Oh my gosh. So that's big. This is one. Well, he's not really that big, but he's big for a gardener snake, which is all we have in the area I live. Pretty big for a gardener snake. So he's the biggest snake I have. And then I have this one. This one's not as big. And then I have two medium-sized ones in this bucket. The one in here always likes to bite me. This one always bites. This one's a biter. Then this other one doesn't bite. This big snake. So yeah, this one bites. And jeez. And this one doesn't. Okay, let's move on. The next thing I think you'll find pretty interesting, because I found a little bird's nest over here. This is kind of wet. Okay, let's go. Oh, geez. So Mom flew out. And right here. And you see all those little baby birds. See? They're little, they're wrestling. So there's still one more egg in the nest. See, right there. I know you probably are freaking out because I just touched the nest, but for some reason the mom keeps coming back, so. Because there's usually something where they smell human stuff and they come back, but. Oh my gosh, it's not with these birds. That's the mom bird, Robin. Robbie! So, just do more. Yes, Izzy! Izzy. She's inside. Let's go see if I can catch a snake. Come on, people. Just a second, I know it's going to be all one. Let's go see. Yay, he's running. really know. But ooh, spider ready. I'm gonna get this rock. Heavy rock. Nothing. Okay. Third one. I'm not really sure what this is. What happened to all the dang things? Okay, there's one more area. Although we've been unsuccessful here, maybe we'll find something over there. Sometimes they go in the fire pit and I don't like it because I was worried that we're gonna have like a fire and then I'm gonna die in the fire. I thought I just saw something over here. No. This is pathetic. One more thing. There is one more thing. Okay. I do not see anything. Okay. Oh yeah, I have a good. I like to go in the spots down there. No. Okay, we're filming something right now. That was just my neighbor. Jacob has it. My neighbor. Ooh, limo! That's cool. Okay, let's see. See some snakes over here. When I see something interesting, I keep finding these really weird green bugs. And that's what I call them. Annoying green bugs. Sometimes it takes a while to find. No. Oh, there's two. See them right there? Right there. See it? Isn't it weird? They aren't poisonous or anything. I've been picking them up for like months now. So yeah. They really bug me because I always find them. Ew. Ew. Do not shoot that one. I think it was mating. Okay. Keep going. Try to forget about that one. Okay, where else? Saloma? Garbage pickers. I keep seeing these garbage pickers coming around. I hate them. Yeah. Let's go look at the baby birds again.
I think I just saw a mouse. Okay. Go through here. Oh. Okay. Holy mackerel. There's a little piggy. Okay, that's disturbing. Okay, we have to go. Bye.